Hello and good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of it's not so much a review as it is me talking about a product that I really love and kind of want to recommend for the fall and winter, but it's also kind of a review. So let's just get started with it. So fall and winter basically is here in Chicago where I live. It's already getting to be in like the 40s here now. We had summer the other day, like just a couple days ago it was 80 degrees and now it's 40 degrees. So I don't know if where you're from is like that. If it is, let me know in the comments down below. But your skin is going to get dry. Your skin is going to get dehydrated, especially if you have dry skin already or combination skin. So this product is a product that I bought in last winter's Joel's haul, I believe, and I don't think I've talked about it yet, so I thought now would be the perfect time to talk about it because I fell in love with it. So this is the Secret Key Hyaluron Soft Micro Peel Toner, and it's a toner that you can use on a daily basis, and it contains hyaluronic acid, AHA, BHA, and apple extract, which supplies the skin with moisture and cares for dead skin cells and sebum. Therefore, it makes your skin moist and smooth. It also contains aloe vera leaf extract, chamomile flower extract, centella asiatica extract, tea tree extract, and green tea extract. So it helps soothe irritated skin from the outside. So this has a ton of great ingredients in it. It did not bother my skin at all. I love that it's got green tea, it's got AHA, BHA, and I actually use this along with my CosRx AHA and BHA things, and it didn't bother my skin, so it's not like it's too much acid or anything. And then the hyaluronic acid was just super moisturizing, and so I would use this every morning, and it made my skin look so clear and bright and moisturized that, like, I was shocked. And I really wanted to buy this again in my last Joel's haul, even though it was summer, but I just love the way that my skin looked using this. The only downside is it's mid-range, I would say. So right now on Joel's it is $17.17, but it is normally $20.20. You get 500 milliliters, so it's a pretty big bottle. It was a lot bigger than I was expecting. When I bought my other Secret Key toner, I was kind of disappointed with how small it was, but it was a lot cheaper. So it made sense. So you definitely get a lot for your money. This lasted me a super long time, and I just wanted to recommend this to you guys for the fall. If you have dry skin and you suffer with like flakes during the fall or redness during the winter, or even if you've got combination skin and you sometimes get kind of dry or your foundation will cake up, like this makes your skin look so nice, and it just moisturizes super well, and it helps with acne too. So I highly recommend this product. This is a 5-heart product, of course, because I love it so much, and I cannot wait to purchase it again. It will definitely be in my winter haul for Joel's. Alright, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully it was pretty short. I just wanted to let you guys know about this product because I do love it so much, and I thought it was weird that I hadn't talked about it yet. So it is empty, as you can probably tell, but I wanted to let you guys know about it before I threw it out and just bought another one. But that's it for today's video. Hopefully my next video will be Halloween related, and stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed already, be sure to click subscribe down below. And I put a poll in last week's video about what Halloween video you guys would like to see. I'll try and put it in again this week. I think it's this side that it pops up on. Poll up here. So please vote in that if you didn't vote in the last one, and let me know what kind of Halloween video you want to see. And then also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you've used this product and what you think of it, or if you're thinking about picking it up. And again, I think this is the 3rd time I've said this, but that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you all back here next time. Bye! Chamomile flower extract.